Hey everybody and welcome back. So today we will be discussing about best life insurance policy in Canada. So you can see we got 10 life insurance companies available, and the first one is Policy Me. This is one of the best online life insurance company and is fully digital, so you do not need to manually visit their offices and simply care about that kind of thing, so you can do it everything online. It is really good if you want to go with this option. I highly recommend this as well. So yeah, the second one is gonna be the manual life, so you can also get a lot of benefits out of it as the coverage goes from 50,000 to 20 million. So you can see we have like 5 million for the Policy Me, but for this one we get up to 20 million. So this is really good if we have a lot of amount to be insured, and we finally have Policy Advisor. So these are some of the best insurances in Canada that you can use, and I hope this is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.